Hi, welcome. I'm Dhaval Patel with Rovi Homes. We're here at 34 Everett Ave, Unit 1 in Somerville. Let's go ahead and explore this home. This exquisite kitchen features cedar stone quartz, custom cabinets, and plenty of seating for 10. This stunning home includes 2 spacious bedrooms and a luxurious bathroom with Corona marble and bamboo throughout. You'll find the lower level perfect for a guest bedroom or an office with a generously sized laundry room. Best of all, there are 2 parking spaces with a large deck and ample seating, perfect for entertaining. That concludes our tour of 34 Everett Ave in Somerville. We at Rovi Homes are the #1 team in Massachusetts and look forward to helping you buy or sell. Again, my name is Dhaval Patel and I look forward to answering any questions that you have. Thank you.